The sixth round of the India-US trade talks could be held soon. This is according to Commerce Ministry's US's chief negotiator that will arrive in India tonight and hold precursor talks ahead of the next round of formal talks. Now, Sumita, in fact, has been spearheading that coverage for us. Let's listen in to her as far as the latest is concerned.
That's right, an important development coming in as far as the India and the United States BTA or the bilateral trade agreement developments are concerned. Well, we are given to understand from India's Commerce Secretary Sunil Bartabal, who has stated that a team from the United States is going to be arriving in India tonight. Essentially, the United States chief negotiator is coming to India. He will be here for 24 hours and talks will begin tomorrow morning as far as a comprehensive bilateral trade agreement between the United States and India is concerned. So that's the latest that we're picking up on this matter. We're also given to understand from the Commerce Secretary that positive momentum as far as these talks are concerned is being seen at the moment, and India and the United States have been virtually engaged on a weekly basis as far as issues pertaining to both the sides are concerned and sensitivities pertaining to both the sides are concerned. In fact, we are given to understand from sources that there is an expectation that the United States side could perhaps push for market access, and India has been insistent upon protecting its agri, dairy and GM crops segments. In fact, the United States could also expect a reduction in oil and defense purchases that India makes from the Russian side. So that could also be an area. But overall, this is a precursor to the next round of talks that are slated to happen. In fact, a final date has not been arrived at. The last round of talks between United States and India was to happen on August 25th. However, that round has not really been decided. The date for that round has not really been decided. This is going to be a precursor to sort of exchange views on where the sensitivities lie, what can be offered, what can't be offered, and then to start negotiations for the next round of talks.